Hello, so it's been a while since I've uploaded any video at all because I've been so busy, and honestly just a lot of things has been going on since the second term started, and most of it is just me writing the coursework. So literally I've written like over 3 courseworks for like each subject, so it's like 5-6-ish courseworks this term, so it's gone like mad. Anyway, so at the start of this term, obviously I was writing the coursework and I was doing a lot of researching, writing, and I had like deadline back to back, so I can upload any videos. I didn't have time to edit them, that's why. After that I had to switch room with my brother, so if you see here, this is my new room, and it's really nice because I've got a sofa here and there's my bed, and I have like my reading table over there. One of the main reasons why I moved here, because there are more rooms for like everything. So yeah, I switched room with my brothers, and then that was during the half-term break, so I had another coursework coming up, which is an EU coursework, and I was just so dead because like EU was one of the newest subjects that we did this term, so I didn't understand most of the content. I had to go back and reread like almost everything. Afterwards I finished the coursework, I handed in. I have another coursework coming up, so I had to do that one. That was like for land law, and then after the land law it was the end of term. Like we had a pretty short term actually, and during the end of term, like just right when the terms end, it was my brother's end of term, like half term break, so I went over to Pangna just before the lockdown thing and before the COVID got so much worse. I'm gonna upload a vlog for like my Pangna trip, and then now I'm in my exam period, so like it's like a final for first year. And also one thing that's really new that I want to tell you guys like so badly, because like I've been like starting to work now, kind of like my part-time job. But yeah, so I started teaching Chinese, and it's been like almost 3 months now that I've started, and it's going really well. I start a page on Instagram, but like mostly it's Thai, so you guys can go and have a look at it. I'll link it down below. But yeah, okay, so right now I have to go and teach, and I'm gonna tell you guys more about my life and what I'm doing nowadays. So yeah. Okay, so I finished teaching, and as I said that I've been teaching for like a few months now, and I'm trying to juggle the time between learning and teaching, and also for YouTube. Please make sure to subscribe and like this video, you know, because if you like this video I'll be really happy, and then I'll have more like, you know, to support me, and then subscribe so that you'll be able to see like the future videos. So yeah, so I'll be filming for these few days so that you guys will see what's going on right now, and then I can, you know, just revising the finals with me. Okay, so this is literally my calendar, and I have coursework due like 2 days ago, and then last week I had another one that was due, and then this is my exam, my public law exam, and then afterwards I have like I have like coursework, another coursework due, and then another exam. So yeah, it's gonna be a rough part, and okay, a lot of teaching going on and a lot of studying. Okay, I'm gonna get into writing my coursework. I've printed off the past examinations and stuff, like some material for the exam, and I have write down like a draft, kind of like a vague planning on which of the steps I'm gonna take in the broad structure of my essay, since I know I'm gonna do problem question for both of the questions, because we can choose for part A and B. So I'm gonna do problem question, and I've written like a vague structure on those topics, so we don't know the question yet, but we know like what issues or what topic is going to be on. So I kind of like made a structure for that yesterday. So now I think I'm just gonna go through the examination paper, the past papers, because my exam is out in like half an hour. I might write like a rough draft today. That's my plan, because it's like 6 p.m. soon, and then I'm gonna just try to finish today's stuff as soon as possible, and then tomorrow I'm just gonna finalize it, and then it's gonna be sent at 6 p.m. tomorrow. So I have like a little bit of time to actually like edit it or like add on any information that I haven't done it for today. Yeah, back to study, and hopefully I will be okay with the exam. So yeah, so the exam is now out and it's here in front of me. I'm gonna do it, and probably there's 2 questions. As I said, I'm just gonna go through with the drafts and everything. I have to pick out like the problem, the issues, and both of the questions, and then I'll see how it goes. So yeah, good luck to me. So I finished the planning, and as I said, I did like some kind of layout for what I'm gonna do. So I kind of like identified the problems and like write it into just my planning. I'm gonna start writing the first draft. I have to get on to the second question, which is on like human rights. So yeah, so like it's 1 a.m. right now. I look so tired. Oh my god, I've only just finished the first question, so yeah, it's gonna be a long night for me. So it's like almost 7 now. Actually, it's like 6:45, and I went to bed actually at like 5:30, and then I took a nap for half an hour. I woke up and went to shower, and now I'm going to finish my essay, and then I'm gonna go out to get coffee and come back and yeah, edit my essays. But I'm almost like finished with the second one. I'm over halfway through. Yeah, I just have to finish it up, and then I'm gonna go out and get coffee because I cannot. I'm so tired. I just want it to be over already. And yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, I haven't finished with my exam, but actually something came, which is this. It's my camera. I ordered it yesterday, so it comes like pretty quickly, and I'm just gonna do an unboxing. Okay, so I've finished, I've edited, I've done everything I could. I'm really tired, and I've already submitted a draft, but I haven't confirmed it because I want to wait for my Turnitin result, and then I will see if there's anything, you know, not okay, and then I will submit it today. I'll submit it really soon because I'm just so tired already, and I want to be doing other stuff already, so I'm gonna submit it out actually.